guys, welcome to Crown Rick Auto. In this video we're gonna do the full movie car reveal. Finally, after long hours of sacrifice, denial, pain, we finally get this car done and you finally get to see it. Also guys, stick to the end. I'm finally gonna do the handcuff giveaway. All right, here we go. Here it comes, guys. So the new movie car is here. Got the D76 sticker, hashtag District 76 Police. Got the District 76 logo right there with the hashtag Stop FML, the funny man loyalist. Looks like you got yourself a criminal already.
Yeah.
Crown Rick Auto in the back. Got American flag, emergency 911. Police sticker, D76. Got the California exempt plates that I found in one of these police cars. Got this new antenna. Got an upgraded PC tail, salt and pepper shaker antenna. Got the D76 sticker on the roof. Another Crown Rick Auto sticker. The logo. This, I got that on the roof. Repainted. Got a different grill on there, the horizontal grill. All right, so Lieutenant Nick Wilson added this aftermarket controller PA system. It's pretty cool. It's pretty loud, 200 watts. And it's got different sounds. Watch. It's my favorite one right there. This is still not working. The only thing that works on here is the lights. The sounds just stopped working. Something got disconnected. Got this radio working again. Tough book will go here. Just need to find a one that fits, a good one, or a computer system, whatever goes here. Put the American flag sticker right there, the Crown Rick Auto patch. Got a new police officer. PA system works. Criminal, get out of the way.
372-276 was hailed at 3560 Sheldon Street. 2B2 is en route.
Copy that, control. We are on the way. Punch it.
Sounds good. My car sound like that.
Yeah. It's 2007. The U-turn right here.
Mine's an 11 and mine doesn't sound like this.
I know, right? This is a really good condition car. Again, it's well taken care of.
My car sound like this.
All right, we're out here getting gas. Looking clean. Don't worry, guys. We have out of service sign in the back, and we throw a dealer plate on there just so that we have to get gas, which is right down the street. He loves the way this car sounds.
I do.
Look at that.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
My car needs a tune up.
Yeah, that's for sure.
What the hell? Oh, I can't help it. That sounds like a real V8.
Yeah.
Sounds amazing.
So a customer just brought in this car right here because his headlights weren't working, and I figured out why. So he doesn't want me to remove it because he wants to take it to a dealer. So he asked me to go ahead and make a hole. So I'm gonna make one right over here. Should drain it all out. So this is funny. Customers using the restroom. But anyways, he was like, "You sold me a faulty car, bro." Newsflash: water in your headlights does not equal a faulty car. Okay? You've been driving this car around for 2 years now. Not a single problem besides water in your freaking junk, whatever you want to call this.